सो जाओ, कल बात करते हैं, ठीक है? I'm gonna share 5 mistakes men make that make women lose interest in them. Mistake number 1, that is misunderstanding. वो बोल क्या रही है, आप सुन क्या रहे हो और आप समझ कुछ और ही रहे हो. For example, if she tells you that you are not giving me enough of time, you come to a conclusion that she's saying you're not good enough for me, bro, and your ego, that makes it worse. Mistake number 2 is that you get irritated when she asks you for the bare minimum. That is that you don't call me, you don't text me, you don't spend time with me, and you get so irritated, like कितना मांगती हो, कितनी मांगे तुम्हारी, और शक्ल ऐसी बन जाती है like she's asking you for your kidneys. You love her, right? So you have to give her time. Mistake number 3 that you ignore when she tries to fix you, you know, those small issues in the relationship. Basically she's trying to fix you, and you know, she tells you that sleep on time, eat on time, exercise, diet, and you get so irritated. You're like, कितना बोलती हो, कितना पीछे पड़ती हो, कितना इरिटेट करती हो तुम मेरे को यार, थक चुका हूँ मैं तुमसे, फ्रस्ट्रेट कर दियो तुमने मेरे को. And you know what happens? Then she goes silent, she stops correcting you, and when she goes silent, she's not thinking, she's done thinking. Okay, mistake number 4 is that you stop putting in efforts that like you used to put earlier. Matlab, in the start you used to give her so much of time, attention, and you know, buying her gifts and taking her out and spending time, and suddenly you go zero. And what happens is, you know, we have good memory and we think कि starting में इतना अच्छा था, अभी अचानक से हो क्या गया है इसको. And then we think like, was it a trap? Because अब तो मिल गई है मुझे, अब तो मुझे क्या ही करना है. Where is she gonna go? Mistake number 5 is that when you have an argument or some misunderstanding and you tell her that सो जाओ, कल बात करते हैं, भाई कल कोई बात नहीं होने वाली. You know why? Because you're gonna sleep nicely, ठीक है, but she behind the scenes is gonna sit, cry for the entire night, overthink for the entire night for each and everything you have told her. And the biggest thing is that she is sitting there thinking, how are you sleeping while she is sitting there in tears. So that is one of the biggest mistake that you can do, is putting someone you love to sleep when her eyes are filled in tears, because she's not going to sleep. So you don't know what's happening behind the scenes. So I have told this to you, so I hope you understand. All the best.